A knife surely is among the most versatile tools you can use during survival. But sometimes, the situation demands more than just a knife. And in that case, the Veristelica Tarava Skrama is a must-mention. This versatile heavy-duty machete is perfect for building shelters, chopping firewood, and carving feather sticks. Drawing inspiration from the Scandinavian loku, the Skrama is both a tool and a defensive weapon. Its 21st century design would surely impress any Saxon warrior from ye good old days. The slightly curved blade, made from durable carbon steel 80CR V2, boasts a full tang construction and ends with a bare tang head for a wrist strap. The blade, sharpened to 2 different angles, offers a 25-degree edge near the grip for fine work and a 34-degree edge for chopping. With a length of 4, 30 millimeters and weighing just 25 grams, the Skrama is easy to handle. Its molded rubber grip provides a secure hold, making it an essential part of your survival gear list. You might be the kind of person who doesn't like regular emergency tents, yet is looking for a different tent that comes with a full perimeter tub floor for additional splash protection. We got the Sling Fin Split Wing Mesh Body Tent on this list. This ultralight bug shelter is designed to mesh perfectly with the split wing tarp, but also shines on its own or with other tarps. It stays attached to the split wing, ensuring a dry pitch every time, and shields you from bugs and unwanted critters. Features include straight zippers for durability, a robust PE-coated 20D ripstop floor, and a spacious stuff sack for easy storage. With internal sealing O-rings for hanging gear, side pullouts for increased volume, and an 11 ounces or 332 grams weight, it's roomy enough for one, but can accommodate 2 hardcore UL hikers if needed. Ideal for through hikes, it's your go-to for modular and versatile ultralight camping. Thought of uncertainties shouldn't be a barrier when handling survival situations is the most challenging priority in outdoor explorations. There's no room for mistakes. Making a wise choice can make all the difference. That's where the MSK1 Mini Edge, built by Ultimate Survival Tips, truly shines. You might wonder why choose this tiny knife? Well, the MSK1 Mini Edge may be small, but it's a powerful tool of versatility. As an everyday carry essential, it's designed to handle any situation with ease, offering robust backup options for multiple purposes. Crafted from Swedish Sandvik 14C 28N steel, this blade is not just tough, but also incredibly sharp and corrosion resistant. Its 6.2-inch length and lightweight build make it perfect for daily carry, while its 2.7-inch edge cuts through tasks effortlessly. The handle, which can be easily removed, reveals a hidden compartment for a fire kit or other survival essentials. On the other hand, the extended pommel doubles as a fire steel striker, so you can ignite a blaze in no time. Whether you want to wrap it with paracord for a custom grip or transform it into a spear for wilderness survival, the Mini Edge adapts to your necessities. It comes with versatile sheath options. Choose leather for a classic look or Kydex for modern functionality. The sheath allows for multiple carry positions, ensuring your knife is always within reach. With its rugged build and innovative features, the MSK1 Mini Edge is a fine-tuned companion for any survival situation. Staying warm and dry is crucial in dire situations because hypothermia can set in quickly, especially in harsh conditions. That's why having the prepared 4X Mylar emergency poncho in your survival kit is so important. It's designed to keep you alive when the elements are against you. This poncho is made from NASA-engineered Mylar, which is 2x thicker than standard blankets, making it incredibly durable and tear-resistant. It's also built to retain 90% of your body heat, even in the most extreme conditions. The poncho design gives you the mobility you need, while the hooded feature protects your head from critical heat loss, further preventing hypothermia. Moreover, it's waterproof and wind-resistant, so you're covered no matter the weather. The poncho's one feature that stands out is its ability to be turned inside out, showing the reflective side. This increases visibility during search and rescue operations, potentially saving your life. Prepared 4X Emergency Mylar Poncho is tough, versatile, and built to keep you alive when it matters most. While it comes to preparedness, very few can beat the Rhino Ready Companion V2 in this case. This is the most versatile emergency survival system built from the ground up, stocked with over 40 life-saving gears and gadgets we've seen so far. This bootstrap comes in a compact package of fire-resistant and waterproof 1200D micro-hex pack, featuring 6 custom modular components and Hippalon attachment points. Inside, you'll find essentials for warmth, tools, sight and air, light, comms, first aid, food, and water. From a 5-inch full tang blade, magnesium ferro rod, and multi-tool to N95 masks, reflective goggles, and a 100-plus piece first aid kit, it's got you covered. The Companion V2 also includes a solar or crank radio flashlight, rechargeable flashlight, headlamp, Daytrex food rations, water filter, and a 1-liter stainless steel bottle. This pack ensures you're confident enough to handle anything, anywhere. For those who value both comfort and functionality in a headlamp, the BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro seems quite that much well fit for unwanted dark tracks or handling campsite jobs easily. This ultra-bright 800 lumen headlamp, designed with BioLite's 3D slim fit construction, integrates electronics directly into the band for a secure, bounce-free fit. With 6 dimmable modes, including red and white settings, complete control over illumination is achieved. The standout Pro feature, Constant Mode, ensures the light remains steady without dimming over time. Additionally, the headlamp features a 4-position tilt front lens, moisture-wicking smart fabric, and easy adjust clips for a balanced, nearly weightless feel. Equipped with a micro USB and run forever cable input, it allows for pass-through plus charging, making it perfect for extended adventures and cold weather use. With an IPX4 weather resistance rating, the BioLite Headlamp 800 is prepared for any condition, ensuring illumination and comfort on any journey. The Nebo Luxstream is a vital tool for survival scenarios where long-distance visibility is crucial. This USB-C rechargeable flashlight boasts advanced optics, projecting 500 lumens over half a mile, reaching up to 900 meters or 2952 feet with an impressive brightness. In situations such as search and rescue, navigating unfamiliar terrain, or signaling for help, the Luxstream's powerful beam ensures you can see and be seen from afar. Its anodized aircraft-grade aluminum body in storm gray provides durability, while the 4,000 milliamp-hour battery ensures long-lasting performance. The Nebo Luxstream is not just a flashlight, it's a lifeline in critical survival situations. Fire is among the most important elements in terms of survival. Whether you need to stay warm, cook food, or signal for help, the ability to start a fire is crucial. The Firelight makes that process easy and reliable, even in the worst conditions. With the touch of a button, you can ignite a fire thanks to its waterproof and windproof design. The built-in 100-lumen LED light is perfect for finding your way in the dark, and the 3-fit Tinder cord lanyard provides an emergency fire starter. Rechargeable and fuel-free, this ultralight lighter charges in just 2 hours via USB and can light over 100 fires. At less than 2 ounces, it's even compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand.